for cat, so furry and fun. D is for dog, who loves to run. Sing with me, let's learn and play the ABCs in a fun new way. Letters, letters, A to Z. Come along and sing with me. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for grape, so juicy to munch. H is for hippo, who loves to lunch. Sing with me, let's learn and play the ABCs in a fun new way. Letters, letters, A to Z. Come along and sing with me. I is for igloo, icy and bright. J is for jelly that wobbles just right. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest in a tall green tree. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit that hops all around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin, music it plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too.